Our performance management software helps you grow, develop, and align your team to drive business success. An integrated suite of performance tools will help you keep teams on track, empower critical dialogue, and celebrate employee success across your organization. Goals help ensure every employee and every team understands their contributions to organizational success. Our goals tools help you empower teams to set, track, and accomplish important goals. One-on-ones help managers and employees stay connected and aligned with ongoing, individualized, collaborative conversations. Use one-on-ones for performance reviews, goal updates, weekly check-ins, and more. Recognition helps you celebrate and motivate employees by highlighting great work and sharing success stories. Our social newsfeed helps your people bond, congratulate, and motivate with intuitive features such as likes, comments, photos, and GIFs. Feedback helps you accelerate individual, team, and organizational growth. Our two-way feedback tools help increase trust, boost performance, and empower your managers as coaches. Talent reviews help you identify rising stars and talent risks throughout your organization. Collect ongoing perceptions of employee performance, growth, and retention risk, and help managers take targeted action to set your company up for a successful future.